Student loans will never be too good if people are getting their art from their rich homes, getting 5 and 6 from the ghetto. Are you ready to choose 17 or 0?
Newton Mills.
Mr. Dandra mapping up the drain. Yeah, boy, they're innocent right here. I'm calling upon different stakeholders to come in and sponsor our education. We are really in need. You're stopping my dreams. You're stopping my dreams. You're stopping my dreams. You're feeding me creams. You're feeding me creams. You're feeding me creams. You're breaking my limbs. You're breaking my limbs. You're breaking my rims. The voices are getting more loud and they're thinking as if now Jesus screams, why am I here? Taking the list, my name no here. Getting so peace, my friend right here. The list not clear, same names on the list right here. Talked about vulnerability, you talked about those merits. Many students on the list now, many of them got credit, so why?
Student loans will never be so good if people are getting
The first part is the applicant's address. This includes the name of the applicant or the name of an organization where the applicant is coming from. Then the postal address, the location or the city, the email address, and the date. The second part is the address of the Higher Education Loans and Scholarship Board. It starts with the Chief Executive Officer, then the box number, which is in Woodlands, Lusaka. The salutation shows respect to the reader, either male or female. The reference is the subject of the letter. It states the main purpose of writing this letter. In this case, it is an appeal for a 100% student loan. The first paragraph starts with an introduction. It states the age of the applicant, the NRC or National Registration Card number. It also states the university to which the applicant was admitted to, and importantly, it also states the level of eligibility of an applicant. The second paragraph requests the Higher Education Loans and Scholarship Board to reconsider the applicant's application. The third and final paragraph talks about attachments. It states about all the necessary documents like the national registration card, the admission.
Mother sold a lot of properties for me to complete my education.
Are you ready to choose 17 or 0?
My mother sold a lot of properties for me to complete my education. When my father died in 2013, and because I got 7 points, I was left out on student loans. So I don't know what happened, but this life just what happened to me? What happened to me? What happened to me? I cannot pay for my brother and my sisters. I cannot pay for my tuition fee. Maybe you never took a look at my application letter when I took. My father is gone, my mother is alone. I'm home alone, I'm all alone. Hard atomic connection is better than qualification in our nation. Education is now a playground of corruption. You talked about vulnerability, you talked about those merits. Many students on the list now, many of them got credit, so why?
Student loans will never be so good if people are getting their art from their rich homes, getting 5 and 6 from the ghetto. Are you ready to choose 17 or 0?